Hello, today I'm going to show you a new inbox that we are working with, which is called Chatwork. Okay, as you know, we need an inbox to contact our customers with the API. More than contact, to reply. Okay, we can send them messages with the templates, but if we want to reply and have a conversation with them, we need the inbox. So the main idea of the inbox is really easy. Okay, it's the same as we have in other inboxes. Okay, it's really similar, but what I want to show you, okay, is the different parts that it have. First of all, you know that to send a message, unless that we have already have a conversation, in this case I can send a message because I have the period of meta, it is 24 hours. I have already done it since I have replied with my phone. Okay, in case I don't have it, I have to send a template. Okay, which we have to verify before with Facebook. Also, we have here all the info, all the labels, everything we need from the customer. We can also search for the conversations between different categories. Okay, and also filter them by labels, for example, different channels, which I will show you now. Okay, but for example, with labels, I can say okay, test, and I can see all the conversations that are on test. Okay. Then also really interesting part is here on channel statistics, we can have by date. Okay, different uh, measurements. Okay, for example, we can have the message we have sent, how many messages are by us, by the autoresponder, by bot, by campaigns, everything we send. Okay, we can see it here. Okay, really basic, but also really important to have that information. Then in settings we have some more things. Okay, here some basic info, and here's where we put our privacy policy, which is important, the welcome message, the opt-in, which is a really important feature to have that many inboxes don't, which this help us to send a message to our customer. Okay, like for example, hello, we are Chatwith, we want to send you a message. It's okay for us to send you our campaigns, yes or no. If they say yes, okay, we can configure the message. Okay, if they agree, okay, thank you very much for your consentment. If they say no thanks, okay, don't worry, we will not send you again any messages. This is really important to have, especially in Europe. Okay, also the goodbye message as in WhatsApp, business hours, and the message that we can send them when we are site or during the business hours. Okay, also the templates, we can create here the different templates with the different models, with videos, with images, with document text, everything we need. Okay, we can prepare it here or in 360. Okay, but here we can do it also without a problem. Okay, let's see if recharge this, and I can show you the different channels that we can have. Okay, here we have activated WhatsApp and web chat, but we also have Facebook Messenger, Telegram, Google Business Messengers, and Instagram. Okay, so in case that we need any other channel, we can have all our social media or our conversational channels in the same inbox. Okay, here in place we can send an invitation to our customer. We can to our customer, not to our colleagues. Okay, so for example, we can be admin or we can be an employee with different levels of permissions. Okay, here we can download all the chat history from date to date. Okay, and we can have, okay, this is the data included, the data, the message ID, the phone number, email, the labels, all the message text, all the files, everything we need about about our customers. Okay, they also have I will not enter here because it's contacts. We can see all the contacts that we have in messages, but for privacy I will keep that for the account. Okay, so this is the basic. If you know, or if you need anything about an inbox or the API, or you need to do a demo with us, please let us know. We will help you configure the inbox and do the process as smooth as possible. Okay, thank you.